Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have something a little different. This is a box that is mostly full of hair care products. So let's get into it and check it out. Box was sent to me free for review. It was sent by Beauty Brands. I have worked with them in the past and it is time for their annual leader sale. So their hair leaders are on sale for $17.98, which is up to 65% off. And they also do their discovery bags. And it's also packed very well. I have done their discovery bags in the past. Actually, I just did a hair one not too long ago and it was so good. When I say Beauty Brands, I'll show you this. This is the brand. Beauty Brands, and it is a store. If you live in the Midwest, and I have heard from some of you who actually do, that you go to the stores, and I'm kind of jealous because I wish I could check them out. But if you don't live in the Midwest, they're online. They have a great online presence. You can go over and check them out. I will link it all below for you. This box was sent to me for review to let you guys know about this awesome sale that's going on. So they asked if they could send me a couple of leaders, and I said I would love, ooh, I don't know what that is. I said I would love to show you guys, because I know when leaders go on sale, I love to pick them up because I use a lot of hair product. This is a lot of hair. I'm a daily washer, so I love trying new product and I love having a lot of it. The hardest part for me was they sent me a list and said, which of these would you like to try? Which is so generous of them. But the hardest part is picking because they have such a really great variety of shampoos and conditioners that I had a hard time deciding what I wanted to try next for my hair. So I ended up deciding the Redken All Soft, and I got the shampoo and the conditioner. Because while my hair is straight and I should probably choose things that are known for volume, I have started having a lot of breakage, and I'll show you frizziness down here. When I tape videos, I probably have to brush the bottom of my hair to try and keep it smooth at least once during each video. And I thought, you know, maybe if I had something smoothing, it would be better for my hair. So this is the Redken, and these are liters, so that's 33.8 ounces each, and they are on sale for $17.98. Let's see how they smell, because that's the one thing that I could not know when choosing to order online, and you guys know how important it is for me that they smell good. Oh, that smells really fresh and nice, kind of soft and almost a little sweet. Oh, I like that a lot. I feel like I'm in a salon right now. It feels like really, well, it's Redken, so it feels like nice high-end salon scent. I like that a lot, and it says it's moisturizing. The shampoo has 5% argan oil, and the moisturizer has 2%. I think it's interesting that it's 5% and 2% with the conditioner, and it says it's pH balanced. So they're both 33.8 fluid ounces, and they are on sale for $17.98. That is an incredible deal. I went onto the website because I wanted to see, I know they do some really fun sales, and I wanted to see what else was on sale. And just for the record, they have over 200 professional brand shampoo and conditioner leaders in your favorite brands like Biolage, Joico, Kenra, Redken, and Paul Mitchell. The leaders are $17.98. The sale is from June 22nd to August 7th. But if you have a favorite brand, this is such a good sale. I would not put off purchasing it because I would not want them to run out of the thing that I loved the most. They also have other sales going on, so I'm just going to go over a few of these. If you are in the area where there is one, they have 20% off any one new service at the salon and spa. That's another reason I really wish I was closed. $5 off a regular price makeup or skincare purchase, and the code is 18675. I will put that below the link too in case you want to use that code. They have a lot of the Hemp's Bath & Body on sale, up to 43 and 45% off. They have some of their Chi styling tools that you can save up to 50% on. Hot Tools save up to 30%. And they have discovery bags, and they were nice enough to send me over one of their discovery bags. And I have shown these on the channel in the past. I love these discovery bags. I think it is so fun to try all the new different things for your hair. The bags are $16.98, and this one is a $70 value. So let's see what we've got. And then we'll check out what that other big thing they sent me was. I forgot I had that sitting over there. First we have from Aquage a texturizing dry texture. That will be fun to try. This also has an IGK. You guys know IGK has a place in my heart. This is the Beach Club volumizing texturizing spray. So this is like perfect for summer. Everybody wants to add a little texture and look a little in the summer. This is the Sexy Hair Big Funraiser. It is a volumizing dry texture spray. That's kind of fun. Then we have a Kenra Volume Spray, Super Hold Finishing Spray. So this is all volumizing, texturizing, finishing sprays for summer. I have to tell you, so far I'm using every one of these. This is the Goldwell Style Sign Perfect Hold Lustrous Hairspray, Magic Finish 3. And I love having little hairsprays around. Here's why. I'll tell you why. I find that hairsprays tend to clog. Even the better brands can get cloggy. And I get annoyed with having to clean them out. So I don't use hairspray very often. I mean, look at me. I didn't use a lot of hairspray. I have to use it when I make my hair curly though. And when I want it, it's generally been so long since I've used it that I have to clean it out. So I like the little ones because I go through them before they become a problem. I know, that's a really bad excuse. Ooh, Living Proof Full Dry Volume Texture Spray. I mean, love that. Love any of the Living Proof products. And last but not least, we have a Tiggy Bedhead Masterpiece Hairspray. Extra strong hold with massive shine. That's pretty cool. I am telling you, I am excited about this. I cannot wait to try every one of these. What's the paper in it say? Ready for the full size? $5 off any full size product from this bag. Oh, that is so cool. So we got 7 things. I don't think I can begin to do this. We got 7 good size, not teeny weeny samples. Here's 5, and here are the other 2 to try in here of really good brands. Okay, let's see what this last big thing they sent me was. I didn't even... The Potted Plant Hemp Plums and Cream Body Wash, enriched with natural hemp seed oil. That is a huge body wash. You guys know, I've said it in the past, I go through so much body wash because I like big happy suds that, I mean, this is a good size for me. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. That smells, I don't even know what to say it smells like. It smells, I don't want to say peaches and cream because it's not a peaches smell, but it gives you that feel, kind of like fruit and cream. What was it called? Plums. Plums and cream. Plums and cream. So I would say that is exactly what it smells like. That smells so good. Okay, I will link all of this below. Beauty Brands is, again, the name of the store. They have these awesome discovery kits, which I put in standing up, so I can't even close it. It is so chock full of good stuff. $70 value, you get it for $16.98. Plus you end up with, just for the record, this cool purple see-through bag, which is great for travel when you want to see through also. The $17.98 liter sale is going on now, so I have this nice redkin to try. And then we have this really fun, the hemps. You know what, they probably sent this to me because the hemp stuff is on sale. Is this is the 33. Yes, the Potted Plant Body Wash liters are on sale for $17.98 also. So this is $17.98, regularly $34.98. So it's almost half off. I want to thank Beauty Brands for sending me all of this to show you guys. And like I said, I will link everything below because these are great sales and I love their discovery bags. Every time I get one, I use almost everything in it unless it's basically not for my hair because I love what they put in their bags. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you have any questions, let me know below. If it's anything I can help with, I certainly will. And I will see you again really soon, I hope. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And take care out there, guys. Go have some summer fun.